Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share my potato salad recipe with you, and here are the ingredients we're going to need. Half green pepper, half of the red one and the yellow one. We're going to need some sweet corn, cherry tomatoes, a little bit of black pepper, salt, small red onion, and 3 medium potatoes. Now it's time to add the potatoes and 2 eggs in the cooking pot. Add some water, let it cook 30 to 35 minutes. I'm going to check it now, and my fork can go through the potato, which means it's exactly how it's supposed to be. It's time now to prep the vegetables, and feel free to cut it how you want it. But I like my vegetables in the potato salad not too big, so I'm going to cut it smaller. If today is your first time coming across my channel, I'm Kayi, and I share easy, quick, and very delicious recipes on this channel. To my old subscribers, thank you so much for coming back and clicking again on today's video. I hope you are doing well. I like my potato salad with lots of vegetables, but if you're not the type, feel free to use only potatoes, mayonnaise, eggs, and that will be also perfect. I'm almost done with the fresh ingredients, and I'm going to start cutting the potatoes as well. And I want my potato quite chunky in the salad, so this is the size I went for. Now it's time to transfer it into a bowl. Add the egg. Okay, I'm using 2 eggs here, but it depends on how many people you are making your salad for. So you can use more than 2 if it's for maybe 4 people, or more than 4. It's up to you. Everything is ready, as you can see, and I'm going to add all these colorful ingredients to the potato. Add some mayonnaise and mix everything well. If you don't like onions in your potato salad, you can skip this part as well. That is absolutely fine. I'm going in now with the eggs, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and a little bit of oil. Make sure you mix everything well, and you can tell this is another quick and very yummy recipe right here. And there you have it. Our potato salad is ready. It's time to serve it. Make sure you grab a fork and join me here. If you're new here and you don't want to miss out on these delicious recipes, consider subscribing and make sure your notification bell is on so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. If this salad is calling your name, make sure you comment below and try the recipe. I'm sure you're going to love it. Time for me now to grab a fork and dive right into this. And as usual, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. I like the crunchiness of the vegetables in the salad and how creamy it is. I'm sure you're going to love this as well. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Au revoir.